is Catherine Micaela Sinister from grade 11 Curiosity. She reveals that her favorite subject in senior high school is general biology, which is aligned to the Spanish she chose, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics or STEM. Kathleen's favorite color is pink, and takoyaki is her favorite food. She further disclosed that her most memorable gift is genuine letters, and 7 is her lucky number. At home, her pastime activities are reading and cleaning. She is the eldest of 2 children who are both girls. More than a year from now, she will be taking a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering because she wants to conquer the male-dominated world of engineers. Finally, Italy is a place she would like to visit in the future, and her ideal guy is one who tries, respects, values, and communicates to her. Friends and best, a big hand for Catherine Micaela Sinister.
Check. Atubang. It's perfect. It's mine.
Once again, Catherine Micaela Sinister.
We are all humans. Of course, we make mistakes. When we do when we do something wrong and someone corrected us or scolded us about it, we should accept it with respect and with kindness because it is actually a way of help. Without these corrections from other people, won't be able to learn from it. And that's why I believe that making mistake is one of the steps in becoming a great person. Because without these mistakes, we won't be able to learn something. And that when we are corrected, we will be able to do it right next time. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. And of course, runner-up and the winner also. Okay, we will candidate number 2 and candidate number 6. Please come in front. Okay. Our first runner-up is none other than